Welcome to Beyond Buzz. The universe sometimes sends us messages, not in bottles, but as faint whispers of light. On November 5, 2025, we received such a message, the sharpest photograph ever taken of 3I Atlas. This isn't just any comet, it's a visitor from another star system, racing through our solar neighborhood. Captured by a single dedicated astronomer, this image has electrified the scientific community. It's more than a picture. It's a key to the origins of 3I Atlas, a world born light years away. Every pixel is a clue to its chemistry and geology, a story from a place we may never visit. The image arrived quietly, but its impact is thunderous, a triumph of curiosity and persistence. Dr. Aris Thorne, working from a remote Chilean observatory, had one shot to capture this fleeting traveler. He raced against time and physics, pushing technology to its limits under the silent night sky. What he achieved was both a technical marvel and a work of cosmic artistry. Yet, amid the excitement, NASA and other agencies have remained silent. No press releases, no public celebration. This silence isn't about conspiracy, but about process, verification, and the weight of certainty. The answer to their quiet may lie within the image itself, and the profound questions it raises about our place in the cosmos. To grasp the photograph's significance, we must first meet our visitor. 3I by Atlas is only the third interstellar object ever detected, after Oumuamua and Borisov. Unlike local comets, it's not bound by our sun, just passing through on a one-way journey. Discovered by Hawaii's Atlas survey, it appeared as a faint, moving dot among the stars. Unlike its predecessors, 3I Atlas is darker than coal and hard to spot. It blurs the line between asteroid and comet, showing both rocky features and intermittent gas bursts. This ambiguity makes it a scientific treasure, a sample from another solar system. Studying it is like a geologist receiving a rock from a distant planet. It could reveal whether the chemistry that led to life here is common across the galaxy. 3I Atlas was likely ejected from its home system millions of years ago, flung into the void by a cosmic slingshot. It's drifted silently between stars, a lonely traveler now briefly crossing our path. For a fleeting moment, we have the chance to learn its story. Soon it will vanish into the unknown once more. Photographing 3I Atlas isn't like snapping the moon. It's a tiny dark speck racing at 150,000 kilometers per hour. Dr. Thorne, at the Atacama Highlands Observatory, knew standard methods would fail. Long exposures would blur the object into a streak. His solution consisted in synthetic tracking. Instead of following the stars, he programmed the telescope to match 3I Atlas's predicted path. The object stayed fixed on the camera, while stars streaked by. The observation window was just a few hours, with turbulent air threatening the shot. Thorne spent weeks perfecting his calculations. One error, and the opportunity would be lost. As the telescope slewed into position, he initiated the tracking sequence, trusting his math and machinery. For 2 tense hours, the telescope chased a ghost across the sky. Every gust of wind, every tremor, was a potential disaster. It was a high-stakes pursuit, human intellect versus the unforgiving cosmos, all for a single, clear glimpse of a traveler from another star. The odds were daunting, but the reward could be historic. Thorne pressed on, determined to capture the impossible. The exposure was a stack of hundreds of short images, each just 30 seconds. This minimized blurring and let Thorne discard ruined frames. The raw data looked like digital noise, no instant gratification. The real image was hidden, waiting to be revealed through hours of processing. Thorne aligned and stacked the images, using streaking stars as guides. Slowly, a faint smudge emerged, a signal buried in chaos. Then, the moment of revelation, the image resolved, breathtakingly sharp. For the first time, surface features were visible, areas of different brightness, hints of a varied composition. Most astonishing, 2 narrow jets of gas erupted from the surface, pointing in different directions. This was no ordinary comet. Thorne was the first human to see 3I Atlas in such detail, a portrait of a galactic wanderer. The image confirmed his gamble, but also opened 1,000 new questions. The dual jets, the mottled surface, the irregular shape. None fit our models. He hadn't just taken a picture, he'd opened a door to a new cosmic mystery. The universe had revealed a secret, and Thorne was the first to witness it. Thorne's photograph is a scientific bombshell for its detail. Before, 3I Atlas was a fuzzy blob. Now, its surface is a patchwork of light and dark terrain. This hints at a complex geological history, perhaps a collision, or cosmic weathering. The most startling feature: the two distinct, narrow jets erupting from specific points. Unlike typical comet tails, these are focused plumes, possibly from pressurized ices bursting through a rocky crust. The jets aren't aligned, suggesting a complex spin and internal structure. Their outgassing acts like tiny thrusters, changing the object's rotation. 3I Atlas isn't just tumbling, it's actively evolving as it nears our sun. This level of detail moves us from speculation to direct observation. We can now measure jet angles, estimate velocities, and pinpoint their origins. Scientists can build better models of its composition and formation. Is it a fragment of a distant dwarf planet, or a new class of object? This single photo has transformed 3I Atlas into a Rosetta Stone for planetary science. After such a discovery, you'd expect major space agencies to respond immediately. Yet since Thorne's image, official channels have been silent. This isn't conspiracy, but the slow, careful process of science. NASA must verify the data before making any announcement. They need to confirm the jets and features are real, not artifacts. Redirecting telescopes like James Webb requires bumping other projects, a decision not taken lightly. Committees must weigh the scientific merit, which takes time. The silence may mean they're working behind the scenes, preparing a comprehensive response. The silence combined with the image's strangeness fuels speculation. Some wonder, are the jets artificial? Is 3I Atlas a probe, not a rock? There's no evidence for this, but the idea captures our imagination. Its dark surface could be natural or engineered. Nature is often more creative than we are. Still, the possibility lingers, forcing us to confront the idea of contact. Back in the realm of science, the dual jets may signal a new type of celestial body, a hybrid between asteroid and comet. Perhaps such objects are common in other systems, challenging our categories. 3 Atlas reminds us the universe isn't bound by our expectations. The real beauty of discovery is in the questions it raises. Each question is a thread. Pull it, and we might unravel a new understanding of our place in the cosmos. The mystery of 3I Atlas is a gift from the stars. Dr. Thorne's photograph is a reminder. The universe owes us no explanations. It's vast, ancient, and full of wonders that defy our expectations. This single image, born from relentless curiosity, gives us a new cosmic mystery. The work of deciphering its message has just begun. The scientific community is buzzing. The pursuit of knowledge is unstoppable. This story celebrates the spirit of exploration, chasing a faint dot and capturing a messenger from another world. Discoveries like this belong to everyone. They connect us as passengers on a small blue planet. For millennia we wondered about the stars. Now, their visitors come to us. 3I Atlas is a pioneer, the first of many interstellar guests we'll find. Each new object adds to the grand puzzle of cosmic origins. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and embrace the mystery. Whether 3I Atlas is a natural marvel or something more, the quest to understand it will enrich us all. The story of 3I Atlas is just beginning. And it's our story, too.